It's recording.
You will have to get closer.
Did you get something? Yeah. I only do this so much.
You're going to end up searing off your beard.
Ooh, that's a big one.
No, I'm not getting it. If I had a multifunction on here, I would be able to.
What's gonna happen? I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going.
Hold on, let me see if I can find my camera options so I can see if I can have a multi-feature.
See, all it does now with me is...
Your kerosene doing that.
Dude, do you know how much I'm using?
Mm-hmm.
Try that much. I have more on my beard than anything. If my face catches on fire, I'm dive bombing the pool.
Or at least the top of it. Is there still water up there?
Yeah. Let's have the pool. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna need another gate belt soon.
I'm ready. Okay, now I want you to do this. Come here. Turn that away. Yeah.
Oh, damn, I got fumes. Hold that.
You all right?
Hold that.
Somebody. How do I stop that?